Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitanna. As we have seen, chapter number 4, Truly Beautiful Mind. Summary of the chapter now, chapter highlights. Important points. To remember the short, this particular highlights very important. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany, as we have seen earlier on also. His mother thought him to be abnormal because of his large head. As we have seen, he had large head. That is why his mother thought abnormal, not normal, and he was born in Germany. Remember the year in 1879. During his childhood, Albert did not play with the children, preferring mechanical toys instead. As we have seen, he had higher interest in mechanical toys and he preferred to play alone. He did not prefer to play with other children. Point number 3. During his school days, he did not well in studies, though not impressing his headmaster. However, he became a gifted amateur violinist. In his school days, he did not well in studies, so he didn't impress his headmaster. He became a gifted amateur violinist. He had made mastery in violin. He did not impress his headmaster. He left school at the age of 15 due to the strict regimentations, discipline there. He left Munich, even though his parents put emphasis to study him there. He left school at the age of 15 due to the strict regimentation discipline which he didn't like. He shifted to Switzerland to continue his scientific studies at University of Zurich. Then he was sent to this particular country, Switzerland, to continue his scientific studies. He went to Germany. He went to New Zealand. He shifted to that particular country's name, Switzerland, to continue his scientific studies. In the university, he fell in love with a fellow student, Mileva Maric, a Serbian girl. He met there in Switzerland, in that University of Zurich. He met a girl named Mileva Maric, Serbian girl, and he loved with her. After securing a job, he married Mileva and they had 2 children. After getting the job, he married to this particular girl, Mileva. However, they gradually grew apart and divorced after 16 years of marriage. As we have seen, he was not, his family life was not happy, and after 16 years of marriage, they divorced. Point number 8. After graduating, Einstein found a stable job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bonn. After doing graduation, he found a stable job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bonn. There he continued his scientific experiment side by side, and with the job he kept continue his work side by side to keep or to do experiment. Secretly he kept this particular side by side. Point number 9 on the right side. In 1905, he stated his special theory of relativity, which related time and distance, giving rise to the well-known E is equal to mc square equation relating mass to energy. In 1905, at the age of 26, he stated, published his theory of relativity in front of the world and giving rise to equation relating mass to energy. In 1915, he published his general theory of relativity, which resulted in his being awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. In 1915, first he stated special theory of relativity in 1905. After 10 years of that, he published general theory of relativity in 1915, and which brought him Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Point number 11. When the Nazis gained political power in Germany in 1933, Einstein shifted to USA. When Nazi party came into power in 1933, Einstein shifted to USA. When Germany developed nuclear fission, a colleague persuaded Einstein to write to the President of USA, Franklin Roosevelt, about the large-scale devastations a nuclear bomb could cause. And when the Nazi party came into power in Germany, and thinking like this that they develop nuclear fission, so a colleague persuaded him, explained him to write a letter to the President of America, Franklin Roosevelt, about the large-scale devastation and destruction due to nuclear bomb. This resulted in the USA developing its own nuclear bomb and using them on Japan near the end of the war. And as you know, America also started making atom bomb, and they have also used, we have seen, two cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, in 1945. Point number 13. Shocked by the extent of the destruction caused by these bombs, Einstein wrote to the United Nations to stop the arms build-up by forming a world government. Due to this, as America had thrown two atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Einstein was shocked by the extent of this destruction, and he wrote a letter to the United Nations to stop arms building by forming the world government. And later on, as you know, United Nations organization was formed. He used, 14 point number, he used his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. He used his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy during the next 10 years. He did this during next 10 years till the death in 1955. He was known and celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. Next 10 years last till his death, he tried his best to maintain the peace in the world, that the world should live in peace. That is why he wrote a letter and telling that stop making this type of arms, because it creates large destruction. That is why he put emphasis on this particular point. These 14 points chapter highlights very, very important. You should keep it in mind. Now we see word meaning. The meaning of the particular word. See. The given page number correspondent to the pages in the prescribed textbook. See, on page number 46, genius, exceptionally intelligent persons. That is called genius. Higher intelligent, knowledgeable person. Civil servant, civil government employees who work in government. Took the world by storm, became a sudden success. Took the world by storm, that means become a sudden success beyond expectation. Groundbreaking, pioneering, completely new. Groundbreaking means pioneering, completely new, not experience. Particles, small components of matter, that is called particles. Next, electrodynamics, branch of science concerning electricity and magnetism, that is called electrodynamics. Journals, professional magazines, as you know, that is called journals. Cosmos means universe, this world. Cosmos means world, universe. Next, destine, intended, our, what you call it, our ideas. On the contrary, quite to reverse, opposite. Freak, abnormal person, that is called freak. Not normal. Uttered means spoke, past tense. Main verb uttered, speak then spoke. Brother boring, brother who is not interesting, that is called bore. As you know, we become bore from boring. Brother boring, who has no brother who is not interesting. Then characterization, describe the nature of, that is called characterizes, describe of nature. In order means okay. On page number 47 of the textbook, make a success, be successful. Make a success means gifted, having exceptionally ability, natural gift given by the God, that is called gifted. Amateur means doing for pleasure only, that is called amateur, not for professional, not for or earning money, for enjoyment. Regimentations, extreme discipline, that is called regimentations. Extreme discipline, he believed. On new page, clashed, that means argued. Clashed on left side, see. Then steeped, that means suffocated. Suffocated means, you know, not finding good or just in that type of tension. For good, forever. For good means prolong, lengthen for long time. Liberal, respecting all opinions, that is called liberal, giving respect. Dashing means stylish, attractive. Walrus mustache, long with drooping mustache, people keeping mustache, as you know. And walrus, that type of mustache which look big. Page number 48, special interest means liking. Clever creature, smart person. Serb, person from Serbia, that is called Serb. Ally, friend or supporter. Philistines, people not liking artistic professions, that is called Philistines. Constantly at odds, away against. Facing difficulty, away against. Couple, man and woman. Tenderness is, kindness, gentleness that shows tenderness. Victorious, one who is a winner, victorious. That is called victorious. Secure, found, gain. Patent office, government office, certifying new inventions, giving permission to new invention. Assessing means evaluating, seeing. Bureau, desk, drawer, and absolute means fixed. That these are the particular words which are useful. Now page number 49. Right means immediately, bothered, disturbed, creating problem, keeping in tension. Book like you, thinking like you, book like you in the sense. Put the wedding off, postponed the weddings. Faltered means weakened. That is called faltered. See on right side. Intellectual ambition, interest in scholarly work, that is called intellectual ambitions. Expectations, chapter, part of life. Coincidence, matched, coincident. Interpretation, understanding, that is called interpretation. Deflected, changed direction on hitting something, that is called deflected. Field, area of effect, that particular field. Proclaim means declared, shown to the world, showered with, given many, lot of. Lauded, praised highly, that is called lauded. The press, newspaper and journalist. Nazis, ruling party in Germany, that is, calling Nazi party. Immigrated, settled permanently. Fission means breaking up. In an uproar, very upset. In that type of situation which is not good. Fight, ran away. Fled means second form of flight. Fled, ran away. Fission, extreme system of government, that is called fascism. On page number 50. Urging means persuasion, requesting. Did not fail to have an effect, affected, showing affect. Second, shock, one type of certain thing we listen, as we feel shock. Public missive, open letter, that is called public missive. Decade, 10 years, 1 year, as 10 years considered to be the decades. Agitating, campaigning. Build up, increase over time. Build up. Visionary, person who can think about the future, that is called visionary. World citizen, person who thinks for the benefit of the world. He is called the world citizen because he thinks continuously about the world. That is why he is called the world citizen. Meaning also very important, concerned with this particular matter. So we have seen that this particular matter, what Einstein did, what he thought and what he did. He thought good for the whole world, and that is why he is considered to be the world citizen. He believing that world should remain in peaceful situation, peaceful atmosphere. That is why he thought like this. That shows that we must have think about this particular matter, which we have to think about it. Now see on next page. thinking about the text on page number 50. Who had this opinion about Einstein? Who had this opinion about Einstein? Number one, he was boring. Who said this? He was stupid and could never succeed in life, and he was a freak. First sentence, he was boring. Who thought like this? Einstein's playmate found him boring. Einstein friend told like this. Then a headmaster thought that he was stupid and would never succeed in life. Headmaster said, because he did not impress his headmaster, he was somehow medium weak in study, that is why. And third one, he was freak. Einstein's mother thought that he was a freak because to her his head seemed much too large. Her head was too large, and that is why mother thought that he was freak, abnormal, not normal like other children. He has not that type of head but big, and that is why his mother thought like this. In comparison with other children, his head was very large. That is why she thought like this. Clear? So, in this way, we can see, observe that we have to think that according to his friend he was boring, according to his headmaster he was stupid and would never succeed in life, and according to his mother he was freak. Keeping till here, second part, with this come to end of this lecture. Keeping till here, question number 3, explaining in next period. This you have to write one time and read 3 times in homework. Okay, bye, see you, thank you.